Today I'm not going to do a kiss pour, surprise. I'm actually going to do a split cup, and I will try to do a jiggle pour, and I'm very inspired by Julie Katz and her channel on YouTube, Pouring Your Heart Out. I love it. I think she's great, and I love that channel, and I am a subscriber of that channel. So I have my cup, as I usually have, and I just cut up a piece of, it's actually a Pringles lid that I cut up, and I'll just place that in the middle. So I'll have 2 compartments to pour the paint in. My colors today are white, and that is of course Liquitex Basics Titanium White. I have orange, and that is orange. Nothing strange about that. I haven't given up my quest on the metallics yet, so I have copper, and this is actually a Swedish brand. It's Panduro, acrylics and copper. And then I have this green turquoise, and it is a mix of bright aqua green and ultramarine blue. And this one I also used to this navy blue, and I used the ultramarine blue with a little splash, very little splash of Mars black. Oh yeah, showed you the back side, not the front. Okay, that happens. So I will do split cup. Okay, I am back. I'm going to have these two, the copper and the green turquoise, in one of the compartments, and I'll have the navy and the orange in one compartment. And I'm going to split the 2 colors with some white so they won't mix too much. So I'm actually going to start with copper in both, just because my divider isn't perfectly in the bottom of the cup. So I'll pour just a little bit of copper in both of the compartments. Okay, that looks good. And I'm doing this because I have this kind of idea that it will kind of seal the bottom of the cup. Okay, let's start. I'm having blue. Oops. That's the navy blue. And then I have the turquoise. In about the same amount, I hope. And then I have a splash of white in both. Not much, but a little bit. I have no idea how this is going to look. I've never done a jiggle pour, so I have no idea how I'm going to do that either. So it's a bit exciting actually. Yeah, I hope it goes well, but we'll just have to see, won't we? That was the orange, and now it's time for the copper. I like copper. Silver is actually my favorite metallics. I only use silver jewelry as well, so, but the next one is actually copper. I love the looks of it. Okay, then back to the blue. And then the turquoise. And then we'll have some white. Not much. And then the orange. And the copper. Yeah, I think that's kind of nice. I do know that I almost have to have this cup quite full, so I will actually take the last of the navy and I'll do another layer. So I will empty these cups. It's going to be very interesting to see if I get more copper, if it's the brand or if it's me or whatever it is, because I know it's something wrong. Well, probably me, but yeah, that's how it is. I will end this with copper on both sides because I do like copper and I do like the green and blue, and then I'm going to be ready to pour. Okay then, this actually looks really, really good. That's what I think anyway. I can do with some more copper here on this side. Yeah. I will thin out my white a little bit so I can help the paint along when I have to tilt it. That is something I learned by watching YouTube, and very much thanks to Julie Cuts. Thank you very much. So that's it. I'll just have to get those out of the way. Okay, let's see. A jiggle pour from this end to this end. I should have enough of paint. That shouldn't be a problem. So let's go. Let's see how we do this. Well, the copper comes through a lot. I'm actually really, 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 really liking this. It's looking amazing. I'm so surprised. I have to say, I'm really, really surprised. Wow, I'm almost speechless. This was fantastic. So great. I'm going to pour on some white and then I'm going to torch it just to help the tilting. Maybe it's the brand, I don't know. Maybe it is the Liquitex metallics that just, I don't know. Because the copper from the Panduro, it's looking fantastic actually. It is really, really looking fantastic. I'm going to pop some bubbles and then we are going to do some tilting. I have no silicone in this, not today. and not yesterday, and not the day before that. I have silicone, I just haven't started using it yet. I'll probably get to that one day too, but not today. And I don't think I want it with this glue either. I have something black here, I don't really like that. Well, I'm going to tilt it off anyway, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Well, what do you think? I think this has very strong potentials. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I will just, in a little while, I will start try to tilt the canvas. Yeah, now I'm going to tilt it. I'm going to tilt this first, and then I'm going over here to tilt that. I should have probably had some white, but yeah. I'm doing it like this. Give it some help over. I don't want to lose all the paint, which I am. Okay, I'm tilting it back. And I will turn the canvas so that you can see. So that corner next. And I will keep my hands there so I can not losing too much of the paint. Okay, it's over, I think. Yeah. Maybe I should have had a little thicker paint today. What do you think? Is it too thin for this? Maybe it's good with the kiss pour, but for this, maybe I need thicker paint. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, come on. Get over. I don't really want to tilt too much either, because then I'm going to lose a lot of paint and I'm going to lose the lines, and that feels really boring. Yeah, I'm going to turn it again so that you can see. So I'm going to try that corner now. I'm just going to take it back to the middle, or to the center. Well, as you know, my English isn't perfect, and it probably won't be that for some days, or years, or weeks, or whatever, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay, paint, come on. The blue is my absolute favorite color. I have a lot of blue in my home. I just love all kinds of blue, turquoise and blue. I think it's such a beautiful color. I just love it. But I also love orange, and I think that is mainly because orange is a color that goes very well with blue. So I'm going to turn it, because I'm going to tilt the color back to this corner. Over here, you see I have beautiful lines, and I want to keep them quite a lot, but I do want them a little more. I do want the green and the copper lines here as well. Okay, it's back. I kind of have to look. I want that one gone. Don't like the white there. Don't really want to. Oh, come on. Yeah, and I'm back, because I really want straight lines. And if I'm, oh God, look at that. Just won't go away, will it? Okay, I'm going to do this Don't hate me, please. So I need the lines a little more straight. Sorry guys, but I just wanted to fix this. Okay, where's the colour? It is almost in the center. Okay guys, what do you think? I'm going to have to fix the edges, of course. You know that. I think I'm going to do that one afterwards. Yeah, I'll do that afterwards. I got my papers today. Yeah, didn't forget it today. I'm so happy. Oh, I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to take my gloves off and I'm going to pause you, and so I can bring the camera down and do a close-up. So just a sec and I'll be back. Okay, it's time for the close-up. I have my flash on so that you can see it. I've turned my kitchen lamp off because I didn't like the reflection that it gave in the painting. I did tilt it a little bit while it was paused, and that's because I got these white round dots right up here in the blue, and I did not like that, so I just felt that I needed to tilt them off, which I did. You can see a lot of copper. I really hope that it will stay there until tomorrow when it's dried. I didn't have as much luck with the gold or the silver yesterday, but I really hope that this will stay where it is. This is the result of my split cup and jiggle pour. I think I love it. This is a keeper. I'm keeping this one, not because I'm selling anything, but I can always give it away if nice presents. But this one is going up the wall here at home in my living room. Yeah, absolutely. I love it. I hope you do too, and I'll come back and show it to you when it's dried. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take some footage of my painting that I did yesterday, and you can look at that. Okay. Okay, this is the result of the kiss pour that I did yesterday, the pink one, with a little thinner paint. I do like it. I love the colors, even though it's pink, because I don't really like pink. The thing I can see is that the silver, there's more of it in this painting than it was in the other, the blue one that I did with the gold, but there's still not a lot of it. I would, if I could make a wish, I would wish that it was a bit more, but yeah, it's there, so it's better. Still really haven't figured out how to use metallics, but maybe it will come with time. But I think it's good. I like it, and hopefully my daughter will like it too. Yeah, okay, that's all for me. Goodbye. See ya.